everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review for Major Digit Store. For those of you who doesn't know who Major Digit Store is a Aliexpress store that I really like. They have a lot of cool stuff, and this time I'm going to be reviewing this temperature changing gel polish. Now let me show you. It comes in this little kind of looks like a marker. So this one, it says right there, Major Digit one step gel. So you don't need a base coat. You're also not gonna need no top coat. It's not sticky. So I've been curing it for 30 seconds. Now this is pretty sheer, so you will have to, I mean, it all depends. Everybody's different. You might need a bunch of coats. You might only want 2 of those coats. I don't know, it's up to you. But I have these 2. I think this is the one I've been using. Let me see. Yeah, so you guys can see it looks yellow right here and it looks orange over here. So transition kind of like 3 colors. Did that make sense? Okay, so it means like right here in the warm is yellow, but and then when it starts getting to cold, like the tip are cold, it starts turning into orange. And you know, when it's changing between yellow and orange, there's like I don't know, probably like a slight reddish orange. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna put them in hot water and then in cold water so we can definitely see the effect. I haven't done that. I'm gonna do it right here on camera for you guys, but first let me just show you. We're gonna start with this one. This one is 19. There's a number. I don't know the name, but there's a number, and this one is number 23. So let me just go ahead and start applying so you guys can see. So I just went ahead and shake it, and then actually I before I use it, because when it comes the brush is pretty hard, so I actually added some acetone and just dip it in there and clean it, and then I start using it. You're gonna twist right here and just kind of like the oil, cuticle oil, you know how it comes. This is the same thing almost, and you guys can see that when it starts coming out. So I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna apply it on my thumbnail. So definitely you can control that how much gel polish comes out. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure it, and I'm just doing 30 seconds for this, and it cures pretty fast. So as you guys can see, it's pretty sheer, but like I said, it will get better. Let me just make sure you don't have any gel polish on your cuticle. So I'm gonna cure that for 30 seconds. Okay. And you guys see it looks yellow because, you know, I was curing it, so it got warm. The nail got warm, so it turned yellow. Well, right now it's pretty sheer, so it looks kind of cream. But anyways, let me just show you. Let me just go ahead and apply more. And I forgot to touch the nails so you guys can see it's not sticky at all. It's not sticky at all. I'm sorry. Sometimes I just want to say so much when I'm doing a video that I end up just making a fool of me. But I think that happens to a lot of people. So I don't feel so bad. So again, this is my second coat. I probably do, I don't know, it depends how opaque you want your nail. And I do, and you know, I have the clear polygel, so yeah, they're pretty see-through, so you're gonna need more of this. But I mean, you decide how many coats you want. It's up to you. And what I really like I said, this is one step gel, and it even tells you right here, one step. It's focusing. Yeah, one step gel. That means you don't need a base coat, you don't need a top coat. Like, I can touch it and it's not sticky at all. It feels good. It feels like you just put some some top coat on it. So again, this is my third coat. I know I'm talking a lot. For that people that gets mad when I talk a lot, just mute this damn video. And maybe I think this is gonna be my last coat. because the polygel that I have in this nail is different from this one. This one is pretty clear. This one is kind of cloudy white. I could say like it's just you know, a a pretty cloudy clear polygel. This is getting more opaque faster than when I actually do it on the clear polygel. So that should be enough. And I just polished my nails and I mess up this one. I hate that. Okay, but it happens. I believe most ladies that have polished their nails go through that problem. So see how, like I said, when it comes out of the lamp, it's warm, so it turns yellow. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this one, kind of create like an accent nail and, you know, test it. So this is 23, and I believe maybe like a red color. I don't know, I don't remember. All right, so let me just start twisting. And wow, this brush is not hard like the other one, so I don't need to soak it anywhere. So I'm just gonna keep going. I can't remember how much gel you get on these little containers. I will go to Major Digit Store and check on that, and I will let you guys know. This is taking too long. I didn't have that much problem doing the other one. Is this one broken or something? Well, it's not coming out. No. Ooh. So no, it's not broken. It just took longer. And it looks really pretty. Oops. I did it way too much. Yeah. But it's gonna be okay. And again, this is also color changing. And how cool are these little containers with brushes? You know, they're pretty cool. I think I'm gonna cure that. I know it looks kind of sloppy or whatever, kind of messy, but it's just way too much gel on my brush. But I don't want to waste it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cure it. And I'm gonna cure for 30 seconds. I'll be back when it's done. See how it turned? Because, you know, the lamps get warm while curing. So yeah, let's apply it again. And see, the nail is warm, so it's turning like white right away. So this is actually a very good temperature gel polish. It works. Definitely, you know it works. Alright, again, 30 seconds. And I don't know how many coats I'm gonna apply, probably 4 or 5. Just because, like I said, my nails are clear. So if the polish is not opaque at all, it's gonna take more coats. I don't really care. It doesn't bother me. So we're gonna add another coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 more coats, and then I'll be back to show you how it looks in hot water and cold water. All right, guys, so I'm back, and I did 5 coats of this one. Like I said, it does not bother me to do 5 coats, but if it bothers you, well, that's something different. Everybody's different, and I understand that. But I really like this polish, gel polish. So here I have cold water, and here I have my hot water, warm water, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick my nails on the cold water. No, yeah, cold water. You see that? Nice. Now we're gonna stick the nails on the warm water. And you guys see this is yellow right there. And it got a little bit darkened than actually when it's just to, you know, when my nail, like normal temperature, you know, it's a different kind of yellow. But when you actually stick it in hot water, it turns like a darker yellow. So let me just grab this right here so I can show you guys, so you guys can see that. So we're gonna go into the cold water, okay? I want you guys to see. Oh, maybe those two. How cool is that? And it changes so fast. That's what I really like. Again, I'm gonna stick all my nails, and that's how they're gonna look. Now I'm gonna stick them in hot water, and I'm gonna show you the same thing I did with the cold. Here we go. And you guys see how fast it's changing? Sorry. Alright guys, so do I recommend these temperature changing gel polish from Major Digit? Of course, yes. I really like them. They change really fast. I really like that. And they're so easy to apply. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to leave the information for you guys. If you guys want to buy this product, make sure you look in the description box. That's where you're going to find the link. And yeah, hope you guys like this review. I made a mess, but look how cool is that. Maybe I can splash some of that hot water. Okay, let's do the cold water. Look how cool is that? I don't know about you guys, but I really like these. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!